Hi everyone! Today I'm super excited because it's gonna be a really special day. I've traveled to Iran for many times, and in these days, one thing that I miss so much, the incredible Persian food. So I was just thinking, why not just bringing the Persian taste to my kitchen? It should be really fun, right? For the next 24 hours, I'm gonna cook and eat like an Iranian. I'm gonna experience 3 incredible meals just like locals do. Alright, it's the breakfast time and I'm starving right now. Let's get started. Go. In Iran, breakfast is a really hearty and wholesome thing. And today, I'm gonna start my morning with some noon babari. It's my very first time to try to make noon babari. Finger crossed it will be a success. I'm so nervous. Actually, I really wanted to make this bread for a long time because I miss it so much. But just lack of motivation. Then right now filming this video give me a chance and excuses to make it. Some flour here, some sugar and salt, and the yeast. I can't remember how to make it. Wait. Whatever, just try to use my yeasting. Right. Or mix some.
One hour later.
Look at that. So cute. You just let it double size right now. So soft. I really love like touching the flour, the dough. The texture is so cute. Look at that. So in love with it. Just try to start to shake it. Yeah. I just stick on my baking sheet. Anybody tell me actually how to shape the noon babari? I have no idea at all. I have no idea how to shape it. I just do it randomly, whatever. Here is the glaze. I just make it and cool it down. It's just a mixture of flour, oil, water, and a pinch of salt and sugar. Just brush it gently on the dough. Alright. Right now, just wait for another 30 minutes. I'm supposed to top it with some sesame, but I just don't have it right now, and just skip it. Just come back half hours later. Oh my god, I'm ready to put it in the oven. I'm so nervous. I think I got a bit success, right? It looked really like noon babari. Oh my god, it's the moment of truth. I'm so nervous right now. Let's take a look how is it. Look at that. This golden and crispy. Hear the sound. Knock. Smells so good. I can't wait for it. Okay, I'm gonna try a small little tiny pieces. Oh my god. It's just fresh out of the oven. So good. Alright, I should start my breakfast. So delicious. I can't wait to start my breakfast. I'm starving right now. And by the way, I just prepared this classic breakfast combo. Some tomato, egg, and most important, feta cheese. In Iran, they eat a lot of feta cheese. And some jam. I didn't go for grocery, that's why I don't have the cucumber. Normally they go with cucumber as well. And put some feta cheese on it. Slice of egg. Actually, I just like literally do everything together. A tomato. Okay, I'm not putting jam. It's a little bit weird and not match. خیلی خوشمزه. Oh my god, I forgot to make the tea. It's the most important thing in the breakfast. That's why I feel something missed. But then I can't stop myself to make the tea. And another combo I love the most is the sweet and savory combination. A cube of feta cheese and some strawberry jam. When I was in Iran, sometimes I do pomegranate jam or like carrot jam. But I can't find it here, then I just use strawberry jam. So delicious. It's the best morning ever. I wish I can have this breakfast every day. After the breakfast, I'm stuffed right now. Normally, I don't have breakfast every day because I don't wake up early. I just directly have lunch. But right now, because of this video, I should have 3 meals today. And what I missed from the breakfast, I make it complete. Yeah, I need a glass of tea to awake myself. Salama tea. Is complete. Do you know what's the funniest point? I'm stuffed right now, but because I should film the video and I start to think about when should I start to cook my lunch. I don't even want to smell any food right now, but I should probably just take a rest for a half hour, then start to get ready and prepare our lunch. What should I cook for lunch? I'm struggling between cuckoo and cutlet. Let's see how I feel half hours later. By the way, I just moved to Toronto for half years. I still can't get used to the weather. Let me show you guys. Take a look. That was super sunny and nice weather this morning. I had a breakfast. Only kind of 1 hour, the weather changed. Typical Toronto weather. The weather started getting cold in these days, and I'm so happy to have my glass of tea in the house. And in this season, I just start to miss DZ. Oh, let me show you my Christmas tree. I just fixed it yesterday. I think I should probably get up and start to prepare our lunch. And I decided to make cutlet. Especially I didn't eat cutlet for a while, and it's the best time. Right? I just prepare everything here, but I have no idea about the portion. When I'm cooking, normally I just feel everything, especially for the cutlet. I have no idea how many potatoes or onions I should add in. Just random and feel the texture. This part, throw it. Don't hurt your finger. Every time when I make cutlet, I have no idea how many times I just rest in the middle of the way. Respect to all the Iranian moms. To be honest, I never know the cutlet I make is a really authentic one or not because I've never tried cutlet in the restaurant. I only tried the homemade cutlet, and I have no idea. Every family's cutlet tastes a bit different. I might not have a standard recipe. Every family have their own taste. Personally, I like it a bit more soft in the middle because I've tried some of them. Just that was good, but just a bit dry, not really my cup of tea. I like the crispy layer outside but super soft and juicy, tender in the middle. This part is really important. I should squeeze out all the potato juice. Then our cutlet don't get too wet. See. Sorry about that, but I have no choice. Oh shit, I can't do it. Next time I probably should use a swimming glass. I promise you, it's my last time to make cutlet before I buy the electronic shredder. Black Friday, I'm coming. I was so happy, but why? When I just shredded onion, I feel sad. Look, I'm crying, I feel so sad. Wish isn't enough onion. I don't want to shred the third one anymore. I cry enough. Right now, just mix the meat together. They're kind of half kilo, I think, of the ground beef. You can use lamb, but no idea. Normally, you guys use lamb or use beef. Some salt. some turmeric, black pepper. I like to add a bit more black pepper. Alright, one more. And I'm not sure for the authentic cutlet she added or not, but personally I love garlic powder. I will add a lot in most of the food. Ooh. Alright, right now is the step I quite hate it too. I just don't want to touch the meat, and I'm running out of glove today. I have no choice but use my bare hand. Ew. It's weird. Mix it together, everything. I think it's okay right now. We need a lot of oil fry. I probably should work for like an hour to fry all of this. Start. Thank God I had a complete breakfast today. I feel so hungry right now. Why? I was feeling stuffed that moment, but right now when I cook and smell the cutlet, I'm so hungry and I want to eat it right now. Alright, it's my first round kebab done. I'm so excited. Let me just taste it, see how is it. Oh my god, it just looks amazing, right? Alright, I will try it later. It's too hot right now. Let me prepare for the second round. This is the second round of the cutlet. Alright, while frying for the second round of cutlet, I can't wait. I just need to try one and see how is it. Smells like cutlet. It looks like cutlet. How about taste? Oh, hot. Hot. Oh my god. It's freaking delicious. Look at this. It's so juicy and tender in the middle, right? Exactly the texture that I'm talking about. And it's still so hot. You see the smoke? Tastes like heaven. I think I'm gonna make it again, even I don't have the electronic shredder, because it's so delicious. Cheers, man. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. You know what I want? Cheers. Right now, I can stand here and cook forever. Life is like this. Sometimes when you're tired and you just want to give up, or you're so frustrated.
2 hours later.
If I feel tired again, I can pour for the second glass. Oh my god, it's my lunch. I'm so hungry right now. Don't ask me why, I just feel super excited. I can control myself. That's why I should have my lunch in front of my Christmas tree. This cutlet just cheer me up. Okay, I'm not eating and talk at the same time. Goodbye. So, for dinner, I was craving my all-time favorite Persian dish, gaye. But man, once I got into it, I realized it was a marathon to cook and left me totally drained. I should have gone for something simpler, but hey, that's the price of indulgence, right? Lesson learned, next time, simplicity wins. I'm gonna fry this huge portion of the volume juice. I'm gonna have a big feast. Yeah, thick. Smells so good. I'm starving. It's 9:30, but I'm still cooking this food. Honestly, it really takes time. How Iranian housewife they can like cook Iranian food every day. because most of it feel like it takes you forever to cook. Guess what am I doing? It's not gaming but I'm June and it's not gaming subsamini. It's both. I just can't control myself. Just let me know. Actually, Iranian normally they eat both, or did we just choose one? I have no idea, but whenever I just eat game, I should eat both. Alright, let's try how's the game. Look amazing, right? But actually, it's a fail game, to be honest. It's my second time to use the instant particle gamer again, and look at that. The split pea just like becomes so mushy and overcooked. Whatever, just let's try how's it taste. So tasty. Look at meat. It's just tender as hell. I can't say anything. It's not fair because it tastes amazing. This food just like full of nostalgia for me. From the time I was like living in Iran, eat this food like almost every week. I don't know, it just brings me back to the memories, like so nostalgic. And actually, I didn't eat this food for a long time. Kind of like 2 years. I think it's the national food of Iranian or gourmet sabzi. I don't know, game or gourmet sabzi. But just tell you a secret, man gourmet sabzi it's the last meal of the day. Eating like Iranian for 24 hours is amazing. But the only problem is like if I keep eating like Iranian for a month, I'm probably earn a lot of weight. Because back to the time I was in Iran, like I stayed there for half year. Oh my gosh. I earned 20 kilograms. Can you believe it? 20 kilograms. Because every food just like so delicious and you can't control yourself. And all Iranian like they're so nice and non-stop just pouring food for you. Even you're so full, they just like keep pouring and say buhu, buhu. And after many years, I still cannot lose that 20 kilograms. Look at me right now. Alright, just see you again next time. Maybe I just like explore another country. Maybe how about eating like Turkish for a day? It should be fun.